Hello viewers, in this video I am going to tell you how to find out the original spare parts. This is the build description. You can see the part number and you can note down the part number for that cap stainer and element filter. Now this is the element air filter and you can see the golden color hologram showing Bajaj Genuine, and you can see the packet date and the price. This is the air filter which I brought from Bajaj showroom or spare parts shop, and you can see this is the cap stainer, and on the package you can see genuinity test, how to test the genuinity of the product. Scratch the hologram and check the word genuine. So you can see the genuine word. I already scratched that hologram. Now coming to this filter air element, I'm going to scratch that hologram with a 1 rupee coin. Here I have 1 rupee coin. Let's start scratching that hologram. Keep on scratching very lightly and you can see the word genuine. And in my next video I'm gonna show you how to install the air element filter. So please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting. Now the word genuine is slightly visible and I go on scratching it. Now here you can see the word genuine, so that confirms this product is original, and you can note down the part number so that when you go to the showroom you can say that part number for that product. And this is the part number of the cap stainer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.